Do I see some units on legs? Yes, I do. Now, the question is, are they heat pumps? There's a wasp nest in that one. That's a heat pump. Okay, so that's 2 new heat pump heavens discovered. There's a Grandeur and a Goodman. I hear a reciprocating compressor. I love the sound of that one. It's a 2-ton from 1992. This Goodman's not been running. Yeah, that's the 3rd heat pump heaven discovered today. And then here's a Duquesne. No way, it's a Duquesne copter. Dude. That's a 2-ton from 2025. Yep. Whoa, there are a lot over there. And a lot over here. I'm gonna check out these ones first. I think it was that one back there. Let's see, we have a Goodman. We have a Train. Bryant Legacy line. I don't know what that is. It was one of these panes. Oh, that's not a pane. Armstrong, Heil, Goodman, Bryant, which just turned on. And Carrier Infinity. Dude, this is sick. Oh, and there's an old Bryant back there. Doesn't sound like anything's running over here. Here's a Champion. And then lots of others. Oh. I'm sorry I didn't stay there long. There was an open window. And there's even more over there. It's probably the most interesting heat pump heaven I've been to. There's an Ameristar. Yeah, I can't really get back there. A big old Carrier. Shaky Carrier. Really shaky Carrier. Then here's a Train with a weather guard. Love to catch this defrosting. And those are off. And then looks like this one just turned off. I was about to say this Elite is really quiet. And then Bryant Preferred Series. I think that's a Preferred Series, yeah. Bryant Legacy line. Yeah, that's been running. I see the sweaty line. There's someone in their car right over there, so I have to make this quick. There's some type of ICP over there and a Ream. There's the other side of the bunch. Ream. Oh, it's a Tempstar. Tempstar Smart Comfort. I just had to miss it. One of these just turned on. I'm gonna stay away from these ones. This one's making a weird noise. I think it was this one that turned on. Oh yeah, there's someone in there. I better stay away. Those are all off. I just saw someone walking, so I have to move fast. Well, something doesn't sound good over here. I don't know what's making that noise. It's that Tempstar, I think. Oh, there's 4 units back here. Yeah, that Tempstar is making a weird noise. This one's got 3 blades. Here's another pane and another Carrier Comfort. I suppose I'll get the data on this one real quick. That's a 2-ton from 2019. Someone's window's open right there. That ream has the motor and blades of a 2-ton Durastar. And yes, I'll go back there sometime. And these are all off too. This one's got 2 blades. This is probably like the coolest heat pump heaven I've been to by far. And here's a Ream Classic. There's a higher. Uh-oh. There's some people out there. Looks like they could be servicing the unit. I'm gonna take a look at this higher though. Can't really tell, but Payne and Brat Legacy line are on. I had to skip that bunch back there, but yeah, it was nothing too interesting. Just a bunch of basic ICPs and Goodmans. There's a Carrier Tech 2000 and a Ream. It's got a Bristol. Oh wait, this is a Sure Comfort. I've never seen that one. It's a 1.5 ton from 2011. I've never seen that Ream brand. I'm not sure if I've filmed these yet, but oh, there's a Bryant Evolution. I'll go take a look at that real quick. Oh, and a train. Oh wow, there are lots of units back here. Train, Carrier Infinity, Bryant Evolution. Those are just basic units. I'll take a look at these real quick. I'll go around the pond. This is packed with Carriers. That one's the only one running right now, I think. Yeah, looks like there's a lot right here. Oh yeah. Yep, this is probably the most, yeah, this is definitely the most interesting heat pump heaven I've been to yet. Yeah, there are a lot, which only 2 are running. Yeah, these are all, oh, these are Carrier Sentry units. And there's a Carrier Performance with an ECM. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Does that one have 2 blades? No. Love to catch one of those old ICP units, or that Duquesne copter defrosting. That one's running. Kind of shaky. I don't think this apartment is claimed yet, but that one's running. Took me some effort to get behind here because that's all blocked off, so I had to go around, but here's a Bryant Legacy line. It's not been running. And then, oh, Lennox Merricopter. Got another Merricopter, baby. 2-ton from 2023, and it's not been running. And then here's a, I don't know what this is. It's probably an Armstrong or an Aries. And then here's an Ameristar. I want to catch this one defrosting. And then, is this a heat pump? Oh yeah, that's a heat pump. And then here's a Brat Legacy line. I was about to say Preferred Series. Yeah, second Lennox Merricopter, 4th copter unit. Got a Ameristar just turned on. The Train Ameristar, not the Medea Ameristar. To make this one quick, someone's watching you. Oh. I want that Goodman. XL13i. And then down here is a bit sketchy to walk because look how close these units are to the pond. I don't hear anything just yet. Yeah, it's a bit sketchy to walk. There's another old ICP. I think it's a Bryant. They're all off, and there's another Carrier Infinity. I'm definitely going to be coming here for defrosts. Is that a Nordheim unit? Another old ICP. Yeah. Okay, back here. This is the last bunch I'm going to film at for now. This one's got the swept blades. I don't think that's been running. This Lennox hasn't either. This one's a bit damaged. I'd love to drop my phone in there. I think that's a Maritherm. There's a Payne, Armstrong Air, Goodman. And I think I've already been over there. Yeah. And, oh, something just turned on. Might have been the Lennox. No, it was the York. Okay, that's all I'm gonna film for now. Thanks for watching.